As taxpayers prepare for the 2025 filing season, several important updates to IRS Form 1040 will shape the landscape of tax filing. The standard deduction sees a notable increase, with single filers benefiting from a rise to $15,000, while married couples filing jointly will enjoy a substantial deduction of $30,000. For heads of household, the deduction rises to $20,500, allowing for greater tax relief across diverse family structures. Tax brackets are also adjusted for inflation, retaining the top rate at 37% for high-income earners, ensuring that adjustments are made to account for the changing economic environment. The enhanced tax credits and exemptions further illustrate the IRS's effort to alleviate the tax burden. Notably, the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, for taxpayers with 3 or more qualifying children increases to $8,046, fostering financial support for larger families. The alternative minimum tax, AMT, exemption levels are raised as well, expanding the eligibility for many taxpayers. For example, single filers will have an exemption of $88,100, phasing out at $626,350, while married couples filing jointly can claim an exemption of $137,000, phasing out at $1,252,700. Additional updates in inflation include increases to the foreign earned income exclusion, estate tax exemption, and gift exclusion, ensuring taxpayers are better equipped to manage their financial commitments. One of the most exciting developments is the introduction of new below-the-line deductions made possible by the One Big Beautiful Bill, OBBB. These deductions come into effect starting with the 2025 tax year, directly lowering taxable income after adjusted gross income, AGI, is calculated. Taxpayers can now claim deductions for tips up to $25,000. Over time, up to $12,500 for individuals and $25,000 for married couples, auto loan interest related to qualifying U.S. assembled vehicles up to $10,000, and an additional $6,000 for taxpayers age 65 and older. These deductions are subject to phase-outs based on modified AGI, MAGI, providing a layered approach to tax relief. Furthermore, the child tax credit has seen permanent increases, now rising to $2,200 per child under 17, indexed for inflation to support families consistently. The SALT, state and local tax deduction cap, sees a dramatic jump, moving from $10,000 to $40,000, though it will phase down over time for higher earners. Lastly, continuity is emphasized as the IRS will not update payroll forms or withholding tables during this tax season, aiming to limit confusion and improve clarity. Overall, taxpayers can look forward to a more navigable and potentially more beneficial tax experience come filing time.